Let me show you how to make your next favorite appetizer for the summer. I created this recipe last 4th of July for my guests and they all loved it. And I know you, your family, and your guests will love it too. So let's start cooking. First we'll peel the shrimp. Peel off the head, peel off the shell. Alright, next we'll cut the back and remove the digestive system.
This whole thing?
Mm-hmm. Alright. And this is 1 pound of shrimp. We paid $10.99 per pound. And then you'll make gentle cuts across the bottom to make the shrimp straight. Right, open it and see if it straightens. Okay, let's repeat. Rinse the shrimp with cold water and drain. Next we'll grind 2 scallions, 4 cloves of garlic, hot pepper and a knob of ginger. Next we'll add the seasoning to the shrimp along with salt and sesame oil. You can also add soy sauce if you wish. Sesame oil and salt. We're using half teaspoon. Adjust if you're using soy sauce. Next we'll mix to combine. And you could marinate it overnight if you wish. Or make it right away. This seasoning makes enough for about 2 pounds. But if you're not doubling the recipe, you can use this in a fried rice. Keep the wonton wrappers in a resealable bag or tight container so it does not dry out. Next we'll wrap. And we just remembered we should have left the tail on. Just like that. And put it on a tray until we're ready to fry and repeat. You can seal it with some water to prevent it from opening during the frying process, or egg wash. And seal. We made several dozens of these for our last 4th of July party, and they were such a hit we didn't get time to take a picture. Here's an even better way to wrap it. Or just another way. It's up to you. Choose any method. Good. Keep your work surface dry. Now it's all wrapped. Let's fry. Place a couple of cups of oil in a wide frying pan and make sure it's very hot. We'll do a tester to see if the oil is ready. Nope. Once the tester is brown, you can remove it from the pot. Put it aside. Place the wrapped shrimp gently into the pot. It's now over medium heat. Use a smaller pot if you wish to use less oil. It just means that the frying time will be longer. And to prevent splashing, you have to make sure that your shrimp is dry and that your surface is also dry, your work surface. Flip it once it's brown. And it's browning nicely and quickly. This is perfect if you're having a backyard party because it cooks quickly and you want to serve it hot and fresh out of the stove. See, it's going to take less than a minute, right? Cook it or fry it as brown as you like. If it's light, it may get chewy, but the darker you fry it, the more crisp it will be. That one in the corner is down. Yep. They're going to be very, very delicious. So much easier than wontons, you would agree. Turn off the stove and you're done. Make the sauce, mix honey and sriracha or buffalo sauce or homemade hot sauce according to your liking. And that's it. So simple and delicious. And that's all there is to it, my sweet friends. Quick, simple, and tasty, easier than wontons. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I hope it becomes part of your backyard party menu. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share, and love. Bye-bye. My homemade hot sauce made it next level. So delicious.